In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the clear button on your calculator. Let's say you want a clear calculator screen because there's a bunch of math that maybe you did earlier, or maybe you're using someone else's calculator, or maybe you're using the classroom set calculators and you just want a clear home screen. So if you press the clear button, it will clear your home screen. Now this didn't delete anything that was there. Let's say you were using someone else's, they can still scroll back up and go to whatever they needed, or if you forgot something and cleared it, it's still up there. So that doesn't delete anything. Clear is also used to exit out of something. So let's say I was not exit out of everything, but let's say I was trying to reset it. I could press clear and it would take me to the home screen, along with how you go back to the home screen. Later when we're doing lists and data, so let me do that really fast. So I'm going to put in some random data. How we do the list, you'll find out later. I'm just putting in random numbers. If I go to the top of this list and I hit clear, and then I move away from it, it clears out the list. So that's another function of this clear button. So it will clear out lists and it'll clear off your home screen, but it won't delete things off your home screen. It will delete the list data you have though.